Um, Good morning to everybody. First of all, I would like to categorically state that I have not been coerced by anyone or be pushed by anyone into apologizing. This is by my own doing, and I would like to take this opportunity to apologize. To apologize profusely and unconditionally. I realized that I was way out of order, and I thank you that you have brought me to order, and now I apologize to everyone for just opening my mouth and just saying things, not realizing that these things will get me into serious trouble. But I just want to apologize to everybody, even on social media, like WhatsApp and groups and Facebook. I want you to forgive me because I'm still growing, and I'll keep on growing, but please understand me that I'm still a young person and I'm growing and I'm learning, and today I've learned that I cannot just open my mouth and speak. So just maybe help me to put me back in the right road and not just say things that I want. Like I said earlier, please understand that no one coerced me. This is my apology that is coming from me, and I apologize.